Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are doing ayah number 84 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم لا تسفكون دماءكم لا تسفكون دماءكم ولا تخرجون أنفسكم ولا تخرجون أنفسكم من دياركم ثم أقررتم وأنتم تشهدون وإذ wow, circle your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Id, hamza is strong letter. Kasra, for kasra, give e sound, and there is rukhawa on ra. There will be flow of sound on dal. So the flow of sound should be very clear in dal. Wa id, a is short. Fatha is short, and hamza has very clear sound. A khal, mikha heavy, dal light. There is rukhawa on dal. Khaz. So for Rukhawa, the sound should flow, so it will take time. Like if any letter has Rukhawa, it will take longer time to pronounce. Khaz, na 2 counts long. Me 2 counts long. Sa 2 counts long. Qa is heavy and short. Me sa qa kum. Circle your lips well. For Dhamma, and there's the wasut on Meme, kum, and as soon as you touch Meme, your lips should be in a very in normal position because there is no Dhamma on Meme, but Dhamma on Kaf only. La, 2 counts long. Tes, the very clear short sound. Seen has Rukhawa. Seen has the wasut, no. So it has Rukhawa and Safid and light letter. Thus, fi is short. Ku 2 counts long. Na short. Di short. Ma 4 counts long. A very strong and short sound. Kum, circle your lips well for Dhamma, and give the wasut on Meme. There is medium flow of sound. Whenever you find Lin Amar, any letter from Lin Amar, and it has Sakun, it will give you the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Kum, Huwa was short, La 2 counts long. Haraka, Tukh, there is Dhamma on Ta, so circle your lips well. Kha has Rukhawa, Kha is heavy. Tukhri, Ri is short. Ju 2 counts long. Na short. There is ikhfa on noon. Why? Whenever you find noon sakina and there are ikhfa letters after noon sakina or tanween, then the sound of noon will be we will keep it hidden. And how it works, you will keep your sound in the nose. First of all, there is gunna on every ikhfa letter. On every ikhfa, you have gunna. You don't pronounce noon, but you go to the makhraj of the coming up letter, which is fa over here. So you will keep yourself near that makhraj, near the makhraj of fa here. And these are the 3 steps for ikhfa. Keeping sound in your nose, don't pronouncing noon, but hiding it and going towards the makhraj of letter which is after noon. And here you are going towards fa. Fu circle your lips well for dhamma. Seen is short. Kum, circle your lips well for dhamma, and you're attaching it with this meme, and it will get gunna. And what gunna is, keeping your sound in your nose, and it takes 2 haraka long gunna. Kum, ning, and there is ikhfa again, and you're hiding noon, you're not pronouncing it, but you are going towards the makhraj of dal. You will go as close as you can for the makhraj of dal, but you will not pronounce until it comes, the time comes. Ming di. D is short, yeah, 2 comes long, and it's very soft. Don't give ya sound. Diyarim, it's not diya, but it's diya, yeah, very soft letter. Eri, kasra for kasra, give E sound. Kum, circle your lips well for dhamma, to pronounce dhamma, but keep your lips very straight for meme, because it has sakoon. Whenever you find sakoon on any letter, the lips should be in a very normal position. Kum, sum, circle your lips well for dhamma. Touch tip of your tongue with the edge of upper frontal teeth. Thum, give gunna on meme, and it has 2 haraka gunna, and fatha is short. Thum, the gunna will go on, but fatha is short. Ma, aqo, hamza is short and very clear and strong sound. Qaf is heavy. Don't circle your lips for any heavy letter, but it has qalqala too over here. Aqo, heavy and has qalqala. Aqraru. There's the wasat on ra. Raru. Tum, ta is dhamma, and circle your lips well, and there's the wasat on meme. Tum, wa, waw is short, and ikhfa, and you are hiding and sound of noon, and you are going towards the makhraj of ta. Antum, there's the wasat on meme. Tash, ta is short because there is only a fatha, and the wasat sheen has rukhawa, and sheen has tafashi. The sound will be spread. Dash, ha is short. Doon, dal will be 4 haraka long here, because there is mad arid less sakoon over here. Tashhadun, and there will be tawassut on noon. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.